Hi, first graders. Today we are going to focus on lesson 11-4 using addition to help us subtract tens. So let's look at this. Our problem is 70 minus 30, and we want to think about all the different strategies that we can use. So let's think of some. So one way we can do is just drawing it out. So we got 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We take away 30, 10, 20, 30. We get the answer of 40. So that's one way. Another way is using the number line, right? So we have 70, and we could go back 30. 10, 20, 30. That gives us the answer. 70, 60, 50, 40. Oh, oops. So there you go. So that's two ways that we have learned. Today we are actually going to focus on the third way. So let me change my color. It's using addition to help us subtract. So 70 minus 30, how can we turn that into an addition sentence? If you can remember, way back in the beginning, we did, let me make it simple for you. Remember 7 minus 3 equals what? We turn that into addition sentence, that'd be what? 3 plus what equals 7, right? So same concept, okay? So let's go back over here. So we're going to turn this into an addition sentence. So it'll be 30 plus what equals 70. So there's a couple of ways to solve this, and we're going to talk about some of the ways on the inside, okay? The easiest way that I feel, well, for me, remember, everyone has their own favorite, okay? So my favorite is just counting on. So I would say 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And my answer is 40. So that's one way, okay? So think about that while you're working. Let's go inside and talk about other strategies that you can use. So the first one here that you guys can use is the number line. All right, so same thing, 80 minus 40 equals what? We're going to turn that, we're going to use addition to help us. So this becomes 40 plus what equals 80. So on the number line, we start at 40, right? And we know we have to end at 80. So you do your jumps, okay? And then you realize, oh, I did 4 jumps. So there's your 40. So let's look at this number 2. 90 minus 30 equals what? We're going to turn it into an addition sentence. So it's 30 plus blank equals 90. What does the sentence mean? It means you start at 30, right? And you're going to jump. We don't know how many jumps yet. And we're going to land at 90. All right, so now we're going to figure out how many jumps we did. Ready? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. There we go. So let's count. We did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the answer is 30 plus 60 equals 90. So 90 minus 30 equals 90. Remember fact family? This would really help you in fact. Okay, so think about fact family to help you. Now, even though we all have our favorites, we all still need to know all the different strategies. You need to know how to do them. Okay? So let's look at the inside here. So for the inside here, they want you to do the same thing. Use addition using the number line. So it's exactly what I just did for number 2. Okay, so you start at 20. You don't know how many jumps, but you know you're going to end at 60. So it's show me the work. So this is using addition using a number line. Down here, it's going to use addition again, but this time they want you to draw tens. All right, so this one is a strategy that I like. So what you could do is just count on. So you start at 30, you got to count on to get to 50. So 30, 40, 50. So the answer is 20. So 50 minus 30 equals 20. Do we see how we did that? So this strategy is counting on. You'll draw tens to count on. This one, you can use a number line. Both strategies are going to get you the answer. You may have a favorite, and that's great, but you need to learn how to do them, okay? And then We got this. Actually, I want to show you one more thing. There's actually a third strategy. Oh, look, it disappeared. That you can use. I'm actually going to go back to the front and show you the third one. And the third one really takes us back in time, guys. Remember this? Oh, my pen. My pen. There we go. Remember this? Yeah, your part paper. You can do that one too. Okay, so 70. Remember for subtraction, it's whole minus part equals part. So 70 minus 30 equals what? So you can do that too. So you can say 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. The answer is 40. Okay, so that's also a third way. If we're using addition following our lesson, we could just change that to 30 plus what equals 70, right? And then we can, I guess I didn't have to erase the whole thing, but then you'll still have your part paper. And then you can say 30 plus what will give me 70. So 40, 50, 60, 70. If you think about it, it's still counting on actually. But if you need the part paper, go for it. All right, any questions? Let me know, okay? Have a good day.